How to withdraw from Binance to Gcash. So if you want to withdraw money from Binance to Gcash, follow these steps. Now, step number one, sell your crypto on Binance P2P. So how to do that? Open your Binance app and log in. Tap on trade, select the P2P that stand for peer-to-peer. Tap sell and choose the crypto you want to sell, example USDT, Bitcoin or BNB. So select after that the BHP, the Philippine peso as the currency. Find a buyer who pays with Gcash. Check their rating and complete the trades. This is most important. So after that, enter the amount that you want to sell and tap sell now. Now after that, wait the buyer to send the money to your Gcash. And step number two, confirm payment and release crypto. So when you receive the Gcash notification, check your Gcash balance. After that, if the money is in your Gcash, go back to Binance, tap release crypto to send the crypto to the buyer. It's easy and simple. Now important things, and make sure that only release crypto after checking Gcash and choose a trusted buyer, high rating, many completed trades, and make sure your internet is stable. So now your money in Gcash, and this is how to withdraw from Binance to Gcash. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.